What if that cheap-looking portable AC you keep seeing in viral ads isn't actually an air conditioner at all? That's exactly the question surrounding BlizzAir Portable AC, a product claiming to cool rooms of up to 550 square feet in less than 60 seconds, cut electricity costs by as much as 90%, remove humidity, and even provide heating, all without a window kit or complicated installation. Those claims sound impressive, but when we looked beyond the advertising, the picture became much less clear. One of the biggest concerns is that BlizzAir does not clearly provide the kind of BTU rating, cooling capacity data, or detailed technical specifications you would normally expect from a genuine room air conditioner. There also doesn't appear to be convincing independent testing confirming the dramatic cooling and 90% energy-saving claims. Another issue is that products with very similar designs can be found across marketplaces such as Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu at prices around $8 to $10, while comparable units are sometimes marketed to consumers for well over $100. That doesn't automatically mean BlizzAir is fraudulent, because branding, shipping, support, and other costs can affect retail pricing. But it certainly raises questions about what buyers are actually getting. We also found marketing elements that deserve caution, including questionable customer testimonials, highly polished promotional images that may not represent real-world use, countdown timers, limited stock messages, and huge discount claims designed to create urgency. Even the statement that BlizzAir is America's #1 rated portable AC needs independent verification before it should be treated as fact. So, is BlizzAir completely useless? Not necessarily. A small evaporative air cooler may provide some personal cooling, especially when used close to you. But that is very different from reliably cooling a 550 square foot room like a conventional AC. Based on the evidence, BlizzAir looks more like a small personal cooling device surrounded by aggressive marketing than a revolutionary replacement for a real air conditioner. Our result is simple. Proceed with caution, verify the seller, check the specifications, and don't let dramatic discounts or countdown timers make the buying decision for you.